Hey folks, Jake's from DD Audio here with the all-new 2023 M-Series amplifier lineup. This year's M-Series amplifier lineup consists of the all-new M2500 and M5000, along with an updated M8000. Alongside the new amplifier models, we've completely reworked the widely popular LED vanity plate kits to be a more streamlined and all-in-one solution. But more on that in a minute. We've taken what we learned from our Z12000 design, added some operating voltage and power improvements, making these bad boys able to handle a total of 16 volts max. The new M-Series amps have been updated with the best high current devices available on the market. By using larger and fewer of these devices, we've been able to achieve the highest power to footprint ratio ever on an M amplifier. Because of this, the M2500 and M5000 are almost identical in size to the past M2000 and M4000 amplifiers. All of the M-Series amplifiers still feature aught-gauge inputs, 24 decibel per octave filters, ZVL inputs, and remotes with voltage and clipping indicators. Plus, they're all LED vanity panel ready. Which brings me to my next point. We've completely overhauled the LED vanity plate kits. Woo! Check that out. The new LED vanity panel kits come with two PCBs that are able to internally connect to power. Along with being internally powered, the new LED vanity plate kits are Bluetooth enabled and can be controlled by an app on your phone. Overall, the new LED vanity plate kits are more seamlessly integrated into the amplifier chassis and provide a much better aesthetic when installed. And that about does it for the new updates on the 2023 M-Series amplifiers. The M2500, the M5000, and M8000 and their respective LED vanity plate kits are now available, so go get your hands on one.